Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best trenching shovel is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious gardener, landscaper, or DIY enthusiast, offering unparalleled efficiency and precision when it comes to digging narrow, deep trenches for irrigation, drainage, or utility lines. Its unique design, often featuring a long, narrow blade with sharp edges, allows it to cut through soil with remarkable ease, minimizing the effort required for tasks that would be arduous with a standard shovel. Investing in a high-quality trenching shovel can significantly reduce your project time and physical strain, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit for tackling any groundbreaking endeavor. Number 5. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel W Pick. Introducing the RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. It's a heavy-duty, military-style entrenching tool built for any adventure. We are an American-owned, family-operated business. Join the RHINO USA family and experience our top-notch, USA-based customer support. This versatile tool features a 180-degree shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree pick hoe. Tackle various tasks with just one implement. When extended, it measures 22 inches long, but it folds down to a compact 9 by 6 inches. It weighs only 2 pounds and comes with a heavy-duty carry case for easy portability. Engineered from carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, it offers enhanced strength and corrosion resistance. Enjoy a sleek and durable appearance. All our products come with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility with its shovel, pickaxe, and pick hoe functions. It folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. If you need a multi-tool for camping, off-roading, or general outdoor use, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This trenching shovel is incredibly effective for digging narrow trenches. The long handle provides excellent leverage, making it easier to dig deep. Its sharp blade cuts through soil and roots with surprising ease. Number 4. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel W Pick. Introducing the RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. It's the heavy-duty tool designed for all your outdoor adventures, from camping to off-roading. As an American-owned, family-operated business, we pride ourselves on providing top-notch, USA-based customer support. Join the RHINO USA family today. This versatile tool features a 180-degree shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree pick hoe. It's designed to handle a wide range of tasks with just one implement. When extended, it measures 22 inches, but it conveniently folds down to just 9 by 6 inches. It's lightweight at only 2 pounds and comes with a heavy-duty carry case for easy portability. Engineered from robust carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, it offers enhanced strength and corrosion resistance. This ensures a sleek and durable appearance for years to come. We stand by our products with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you ever encounter any issues, we'll ensure your satisfaction with a replacement or refund. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility with its shovel, pickaxe, and pick hoe functions. It folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. If you need a multi-tool for camping, off-roading, or general outdoor use, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This shovel is great for digging trenches. The shovel has a sturdy handle and a sharp blade. It made digging a trench much easier. Number 3. Heavy-duty carbon steel garden trowel. Introducing our heavy-duty garden trowel, engineered for tough jobs. Its robust construction ensures it can handle even the most challenging gardening tasks with ease. Crafted from quenched 65 manganese steel, this tool is designed to withstand high-intensity work. It excels in hard soil, tangled roots, and rocky terrain. Experience superior comfort with its ergonomic, rubber-wrapped handle. The non-slip design provides a secure and comfortable grip, even during prolonged use. The handle and shovel head are seamlessly hand-welded for exceptional durability. This ensures a solid and long-lasting connection, built to endure. Get the best value for your money with this unrivaled garden shovel. It offers superior performance and durability that simply cannot be matched at this price point. Outperforming traditional wooden or plastic-handled shovels, this tool is sturdier and more durable. It's the superior choice for all your digging and planting needs. What we like. Built with quenched carbon steel and a comfortable, non-slip rubber grip, this trowel is designed for heavy-duty use. If you're a gardener looking for a reliable and comfortable tool for planting and digging in tough soil without breaking the bank, this is the one for you. What people say. This shovel is great for digging trenches. It has a sharp edge that cuts through soil easily. The handle is comfortable to grip and provides good leverage. It makes digging for long periods much easier. The blade is made of durable steel and has held up well to heavy use. It doesn't bend or break easily. Number 2. Kemaier Heavy-Duty Stainless Steel Garden Trowel. Introducing the Kemaier Heavy-Duty Trowel, designed for effortless digging, effective weed control, and precise planting. Its robust construction ensures it can handle even the toughest gardening tasks with ease. Crafted from 2.5 mm thick stainless steel and put through a high-temperature quenching process, this tool boasts a hardness of HRC 50. It's built to withstand intense use in hard soil, tangled roots, and rocky terrain. Featuring a 3-inch sawtooth on the side for cutting branches and roots, and a sharp V-shaped blade for deep soil penetration. This thoughtful design makes gardening more accessible, even for those with arthritis. This garden trowel includes a serrated edge and a built-in scale for precise bulb planting and depth exploration. Gardeners can achieve accurate results every time. The large handle, connected by a solid full-tang metal tube, offers a perfect grip and prevents breakage. Bright yellow markings ensure it's easily found, making it a practical gift for any gardener. With a blade length of 5.7 inches and weighing just 0.66 pounds, this tool is perfectly sized for comfortable handling. We hope every hard-working gardener can enjoy this exceptional garden gift. What we like. Featuring a serrated edge for cutting roots and a built-in scale for precise planting, this stainless steel trowel is a gardener's best friend. If you deal with tough weeds, need accurate planting depths, or have arthritis, its design will make your gardening tasks much easier. What people say. This trenching shovel is very effective for digging narrow trenches. The long handle provides good leverage, making it easier to use. Its sharp blade cuts through soil and roots with ease. Number 1. Kenyon S550 Irrigation All-Steel Landscape Lighting Trencher Edger. Experience unmatched strength and longevity with its all-steel construction. The welded steel head and solid handle deliver maximum leverage and durability for all your trenching and edging projects. It's ideal for installing low-voltage lighting cable, irrigation tubing, and underground wire. You can cut clean, narrow trenches without damaging your turf for a professional finish. This professional-grade, heavy-duty tool is perfect for lighting, irrigation, and garden bed edging. It's trusted by industry pros for its strength and reliability. The precision square head provides consistent trench width and depth. Its forward turn step ensures stability, smooth cuts, and efficient soil penetration with minimal effort. Looking for an alternative? Explore the long-handled version of our S550 series for superior leverage on deep trenches. You can maintain the professional-grade strength you trust. What we like. With its robust all-steel construction and a 45-inch T-handle, this trencher provides exceptional leverage and durability for serious digging. If you're installing irrigation, landscape lighting, or edging garden beds and need a heavy-duty tool that will last, this professional-grade option is ideal. What people say. The shovel is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for digging trenches. Its sharp edge cuts through soil easily, making the job faster. The long handle provides good leverage and reduces strain on the back. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.